Well, good day everybody, it's Dr. Ray back in the garden. Today I'm not in my garden, but I'm in a garden in France. The garden is called Bagatelle, and it's just a fabulous place in Paris that you can wander around and see some beautiful flowers, including this one. Now we all can grow this one. From Georgia to Maine, this is an easy plant to grow, and all the way from Calgary to Montreal, not a problem. This is Mexican sunflower, and if you look, there's this gorgeous orange color. We're in September right now. This will flower almost all season. It's big. I'm 6 feet tall, and that's about 6 feet there. But it's just cool. And the nice thing, if you don't like it, it's an annual. So it's only going to last 1 year, but it's going to grow this quickly. It's called Tithonia, Tithonia, otherwise known as Mexican sunflower. Put it in the garden, have fun. Let's go do it. Okay?
Zoom in.